In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this button at the bottom left corner to start recording. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right one. To delete it right away, click on the left one over here and choose Delete. To disable AI voice recognition, click on this X at the top right corner of this section. And to turn it on, click on it here. Either way, when you finish, you can click on the same icon, the same button actually, in the middle, and wait. Now to play your recording, click on it and choose Allow. Then manage it using all of those options, clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, or holding it over here and managing all of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!